Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Petrojam delivered more good news for the motoring public as the prices for all petroleum products will fall again tomorrow. The price of 87 and 90 will be reduced by $2.94 per litre. Auto diesel will also fall by $3.06 and ultra low sulfur diesel will see a decline of $2.47 per litre. Kerosene will also be reduced by $2.54 per litre. Both propane and butane will fall $1.15 and $1.38. The JSE index advanced by 1,781 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 10 points. 110 stocks traded with advancing shares equaling most declining stocks. Of the 46 winners, we had 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, Cargo Handlers, JMMB Group 9% Preference Shares, Elite Diagnostic, and the JMMB Group 5.5% Preference Shares. The 48 losers were led by Epley, Margaritaville Turks US Dollar Shares, KLE Group, Margaritaville Turks Jamaican Dollar Shares, and Epley Caribbean Property Fund. 16 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $156.97. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $110.94. $199.95 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $164.11. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.